Alright, this might seem pretty mundane, but I'm pretty excited right now. The MM-1000 has several of these push switches, and there's 4 bulbs in each one of them. And I've been racking my brain trying to figure out how I'm going to test and change those bulbs. You'll see why here. I'm going to pull that cap off. Okay, I don't know if you can see in there, but there are 4 small bulbs in there, and they're not screw-in. They clip in past these 4 prongs in there, and trying to come up with a way to get them out of there. Well, the straw works just right. These are kind of like the fatter ones, and you can slip it in there. It goes over the bulb. Let's see here. It goes over the bulb, and then you'll see when I pull this out, there's a little flange at the bottom. My wife actually, the straw was collapsing, and my wife came up with this thing. I could put a chopstick in there to grab that and help to keep it firm. And you just have to kind of work it, and then you'll feel it slip over the bottom of the bulb, and then out it comes. It's stuck in the end of the straw, and then you use the chopstick to pop it out. So you can see they've got that little flange at the bottom, and then you can test them or change them or clean them or whatever. And then installation is the reverse of removal. You can just place it in the straw, get that lined up, and then use the chopstick to clip it back in. So, just in case I forget how I did it, or in case somebody else really gives a hoot about replacing the bulbs in these switches, that's one way to do it. I'm sure there's some special tool that they made, but I don't have it. But now I do.